How does selling work at StockX? Today we are going to find out how you can sell your shoes at StockX. So for that you have to be at the StockX, and here you have to click on this sell, and after clicking on sell you have to select any of the brand or specific shoes that you are going to sell. Suppose I have Nike Air Max, so I'm just going to search for Nike Air Max, and suppose I want to sell these products, so I'm just going to click on that. And as you guys can see, it's not available in my region, but it should let you know that what model or what specific shoe you have. You have to select that product. After that, StockX will want you to send your product to StockX. You need to send your product to StockX. StockX will verify if the shoe is in unworn, new, and after verifying it, StockX will attach the tag to the shoes, and after that, your shoe will be live here, like these shoes. As you guys can see, these are the shoes. These are all listed by sellers, and when someone places a bid, it gives you notification, and you need to sell it to someone according to you. So after selling it, the StockX will transfer your shoes or ship your shoes to them, and you will get paid. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.